Hi guys, this is Xiaoxu. Today I want to introduce my Capstone project, the pit host battle management system developed based on modern technology stack. This project adopts the mainstream front end and back end separation architecture. The back end is developed using Spring Boot, Spring MVC, my base framework, and the front end uses Vue combined with Element AI component library to build the user interface. The data storage uses MySQL database and Tomac is my application server. This system implements seven core function modules uh, and assign different operations permission according to the three roles, which is administrator, doctor, and ordinary users. So next, I will mainly demonstrate my project and introduce the library I'm using for the statistic graphics and how data is saved and retrieved from the database. So first, I'm going to show you guys the login interface, include the login and sign up. As you can see, my project is running. So for example, you can register an account. Let us register a new account. So yeah, it's yeah, as you can see, the account is registered registered. So as you can see, you can log into log in as the user. Because I want to show you guys the admin account first. So let me log in admin account first. So next, I'm going to show you guys my major component. Include seven, it includes six management module and s- uh one statistic module. Mm, as you can see, here's the information, personal information. You can edit right here. You can change the password. Uh, you can change the name you want. You can change the phone number. Uh, and you can also change the instruction. You can see the username changed, phone number changed. And, you can see the account introduction changed. So let me so this is my first major component, the user management. You can see the account we just registered is showing up here. So you can edit, for example, the password, for example, the name, and let's see. As you can see, it's all changed, and you can also delete the account. So account has been deleted. Mm, it's it's two status, enable and deactive account. The deactive account cannot log in. So and and you can see the enable account and all the active account, and then you can also search uh account account name, account ID, admin user here. Yeah, and also you can search like phone number, for example. The next, the drug management. As you can see, here's all drug right here, and people can search the drug by ID, search the drug drug by drug name, and search by treatment. You don't need to add all treatment. You can copy just some of them and search. Also, you can add and delete and edit. The ordinary user cannot do that. It's only doctor account and admin account can do that. Yeah, that's true. The disease management pretty same. You can add disease and edit or delete. So you can enter disease ID right here. You can enter disease name and disease suggestion. Oh, sorry about that. This was enter the yeah, okay, and enter the disease suggestion. Hmm? Oh, sorry, not disease suggestion. It's enter the disease symbols. I mean, yeah, disease symbols. You cannot search by suggestion. Only can search by name and disease symbols. So I also got the P element. So search by P ID, search by P name, and you can also add Pete right here. So every account can add Pete or under delete Pete, but only doctor account and the me account can see all Pete. The user account they can just only see their own Pete. So all the management. So it include like appointment and orders. So mm, the admin account can see the exist appointment and they can review or delete the appointment that they need. Also, the search bar is pretty same. It's like enter appointment ID, yeah, and also enter the doctor ID because there are only one doctor, so it just show there. So pretty same as others because there are many statute of orders payment to be made or paid. So I got there like this, like a payment to be made, search, paid, search. Yeah. Now this if you click place select, it's there it just show you all order ID. Enter by uh order ID 94 and then enter by PID ID 47, enter by doctor ID. So because there are only one doctor right now, so it shows here. Enter by user ID. Same as doctor because I just only have one test user. Yeah. So here is the statistic. We got order statistic, amount, drug, disease, and the PET. The PET is collected like all PET remaining in this system. The disease is collects all disease in the in the existing orders. Same as the disease is collect all drugs used by the doctor, and the amount is collect by each month. How many uh, amount for the total order, and it's same like amount statistic. It's collect all how many orders for the each month. You can see it shows three. We got three orders. Mm. Uh, Next I'm going to show you guys the doctor account. The person is pretty same. Here is Dr. Amy, and here is the pet management and the drug disease. Uh, the the per and the order. The pretty different is review appointment. The doctor uh after the users made appointment, the doctor can review appointment. When the users come to the hospital, they can review it and to do the treatment. So they can select the pit existing in the in this user's account, and they can select the disease. They can select the medicine. Mm. There are like many options for the disease and option medicals because there sometimes the doctor will give the unhealthy pet more than one disease or more than one medical, but the doctor don't need to like um, choose all of them. So here's a suggestion. If doctor want to add some personal suggestion or unique suggestion, it can they can they can type right here and click save, and you can see uh right here. So next is the user account. You can see uh this is user one. This user can only see their you can see the user ID is 173 and and this is the user one ID 173, and this user can only see their own pit like this for. So like, they can like review the medical, but they don't have the aid button. And for example, same as disease, they can review what kind of disease and medical in this like in this hospital. For example, they can make appointment. For example, make an appointment, and they can review their uh latest appointment right here. Here, like 10/31, November 26th. They say success. It can review and it can also delete the appointment. So they can also like review the order. You can see this one is just 10/29, just the order I use the doctor to give this user. So they can preview suggestion, uh, order schedule, disease, and the medical and the price. and after they click paid, it shows paid. Yeah. So next I'm going to show you guys the how do I the library for the statistic graphic and the data things. Yes, so give me 1 second. Yeah. So for the uh yeah, for this like bar chart and the pie chart and for this bar chart and pie chart, so I use like this one. E I use E chart to join them. So that's a library like developed by Baidu. It's like uh it's a powerful like open source JavaScript validation library. And yeah, so import E chart means I'm using this E chart and I s- mm, give me a sec. So this one I see option, it means like I'm using bar chart and I s- s- some option, it means like I'm using the line. So is pay option is it means I'm using pie the pie chart and and mm, the the tooltip, it means like configure the tooltip when mouse hover and uh, so the legend, it means like configure the style and position of the legend. That the grid, it means configure the grid layout of the chart. So the XX, it means configure the relevant property of the XX. So and also you have like no, I have the uh series. It's it's for the configure the specific form of data series. And uh this one is used to configure the total uh amount of the chart. And of course click this one to configure the click volume chart. And pay option is for use configure the payment relate for the pie chart. And pay pay num option is for the use to configure the payment number related to the pie chart. Yeah, all so all the statistic is used by E charts. As you can see, those E charts and the data all of them is from the use API from the backend. Mhm. So that's all for the library. So next I'm going to talk about my data things. Mm, mm, so mm, uh, for my data, oh sorry. So for my how to save how to like my data how to save it so how to save the data from front end. So here is like my con yeah, here's my controller layers. Here, here's my controller layers. So this this one to is for the to receive the data from the front end, and here is for the to decide uh update or add new things, and con else this one is for the add new things. Save for it's one for save, one for add. And I got the uh service layer to process data. Yeah, got the service layer to process data. Mm, uh, here is my uh account uh account service information class. Uh I separate the service and the service information into class. For the all of them. So this whole so here is for to like create a new account, and here's like to update an account, and I got the DAO layer to execute data. It's my DAO layer, and I got my uh intent entity class for map data. Here's my to the QH account is my uh database um my form for the form to storage account, the name for this form. So ID is like this one is for the primary key, and the account name, password, name, phone type, status, and the create time, update time. So the complete storage process is like after front end send the data first to the controller, and the ser controller calls service, and the service process basic logic, and the service calls DAO, and the DAO execute to and the DAO executes to the SQL, and the SQL storage data. So mm, so account yeah, so this is my account service. It's like it's the API for the service. So mm, it's like page calling, and uh calling by account, and get our account, and to process account update. It's like the contract for this for this whole data is to, yes, set up what this service what they should do. So my account Yeah, this one is like AP implementation for the API. Yeah. So yeah, so that's all for the uh that's all for the how to data storage. Let me let me show you guys the last thing is how to the data retrieve. The retrieve is all you for the retrieve I'm using the I'm kind of first it's by the list. It's like call the it's call the service layer to execute the paging query and to get to get the data list and and the total and also the total count and it so that's it talking about the pageant list query and the pageant list query also uh using the service class and here is a two and the second one I have search because I got the search also by ID. So here is the query by ID, and I also have the query by account name. Here's the query by account name. My I also using the DAO layer for query by account name, get all get our account, and I have the R class. It means return class for the unfed response wrapper. So mm, this is for the default access status and return arrow. Yeah, that's one for the create a success response. I got R output. Yeah, I got this one. This one is for aid response data. Mm, so, so the main features is for it's I got the different layer like controller layer, service layer, DAO layer, and my query functions include the paging query, ID query, and account name query. So um, that's all for the data retrieve. That's for the account controller. Yeah, because it's so many controllers. I to uh just talk about the account controller for the example. Yeah, that's all for my project. Thank you very much. Hope you guys have a good day.